Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm participating in the Big Purge Challenge. This is hosted by Heidi at Happily Thriving Heidi and Kristin at Kristin's Chaotic Life. I'll have links to their channels down below as well as a link to the playlist. Heidi gave us a printable of things that we can do. And the first thing I did was start in my bathroom. I actually got an entire kitchen garbage bag full of towels that I no longer needed. And I've already donated them to the Humane Society. And when I gave the bag to the girl, I thought she was going to cry. I can't tell you how good that felt. Then I went to the kitchen. There wasn't much that needed done in the kitchen. The main thing was that I changed my son's junk drawer into a drawer for the grandbaby. It now holds all his little fruits and TV dinners and utensils, and the entire thing is now just for the grandbaby. And then I went on to the bedroom. I cleaned out all 7 drawers of my dresser, and I got a whole lot to donate there. And then I went on to the closet. The closet took me 2 days. And I'm actually ashamed at how much stuff that I had. Nobody should have that much stuff. But there was a lot to donate, and that feels really good that it's going to go to a good cause. That's all going to St. Vincent de Paul. And if you want to go on this journey with me of finally purging all this stuff, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Well, I started in the bathroom and I purged all my towels. And I actually had enough towels to fill a tall kitchen garbage bag. And I took them to the Humane Society, and I thought they were going to cry when I gave them to them. And below that is storage. And I have extra shower curtains, the old-fashioned curlers that I really love. These are backup curlers for my Caruso hair setter. And there's a curling iron that I don't use very often. And other than the bag of towels that I gave to the Humane Society, I am getting rid of 2 hair setters since I only use my Caruso molecular hair setter. And I'm actually ashamed of myself that I have this much stuff. This purge is going to be a good thing for me. These are all the bags that I'm taking to St. Vincent de Paul's. I've got 1, 2, 3 bags of clothes, a bag of purses, and a bag of shoes and boots. This is all the garbage. All the stuff that is ripped or stained or just not worth giving away. But I feel very good and much lighter now that this is all gone. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.